Listen carefully. There comes a moment in every man's life when he must decide, will I stay average or will I become unstoppable? Truth about life. Because the truth is, nobody is coming to save you. No one will build your future. No one will fight your battles. It's only you. Building mindset. You must become the man who gets up when life knocks him down. You must become the man who keeps going when everyone quits. Greatness is never given. It is earned in silence. Discipline. Everybody wants success, but very few are willing to suffer for it. They want money, but not discipline. They want results, but not work. That's why most people stay stuck. That's the difference maker. If you want to be different, you must do what others refuse to do. Wake up early. Work in silence. Stay focused, even when motivation disappears. Failure truth. Failure is not your enemy. Failure is your teacher. Every loss has a lesson. Every mistake has wisdom. Excuses. Stop making excuses. I'm tired. I'm not ready. It's too late. These are lies that keep you weak. Polar mindset shift. You don't need perfect conditions. You need a stronger mindset. Because once your mind changes, everything changes. And pain and growth. Pain is temporary. Discipline is hard, but regret lasts forever. But start now. Start now, even if you are scared. Even if nobody supports you. Start small, but start. Daily improvement. You don't need to be the best today. Just be better than yesterday. Compete with yourself. Destroy your old habits. Build your future self. I'd hard truth. The life you want is hidden inside the work you avoid. Read that again. Action. Nothing changes until you change. So stop waiting. There is no perfect time. There is only now. Say final put. People will doubt you. Let them. People will laugh. Let them. You are not here to impress them. You are here to build yourself. Ending. Stay focused. Stay disciplined. Stay dangerous. And remember this. One day, they will ask you how you did it. And you will smile. Because they never saw the struggle. Final line. This is your moment. Go earn it.